Kay Dylan, Dylan, may ka ba? Kasi malapit na ipalabas yung Project Loki, and then iniisip mo ba kung paano tatanggapin ng mga supporters ng Project Loki yung character mo bilang si Loki?
Yeah, hello po. Thank you for that question. Yes po, syempre mayroon pong kaba. I think it's normal din to feel every time na may bagong project or may bagong show or may bagong work. Nandun yung kaba. But at the same time, since alam naman namin lahat na each and every one of us is doing our best, nafe-feel namin yung excitement din. So nababalance ng kaba and excitement. And sobrang excited din, sobra. We're looking forward talaga sa airing. And ayun, sana matuwa ang audience, matuwa ang players, matuwa lahat ng mga manonood sa Viva, sa Signal, and even sa TV5, sa television. So, yun, I'm very excited, and we're all excited for sure.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.